front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this Google device. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, you need to choose Security section and tap on it. Now scroll down again and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Then you need to enter your current screen lock and tap on Face Unlock. Now you need to scroll all the way down and choose I agree at the bottom left corner. Then choose Start at the bottom right corner over here and follow all of those instructions presented on your screen. Now you need to click on Done at the bottom right corner, and over here switch on or off those two options by tapping on the switchers next to them. Then click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can always do that by accessing exactly the same settings and clicking on Face Unlock. After that, tap on Delay Face Model and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!